Exit strategies are essential in real estate investing because they help you achieve your desired outcome and avoid financial losses. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, understanding exit strategies is critical to your success. So if you're ready to learn, let's dive right in. Hi, my name is Joe Homs, and I flipped hundreds of homes here in Southern California. I have over 40 years of experience. I've been a broker, mentor, and investor. And I want you to like, subscribe, and share this content with your friends. Here are 3 exit real estate strategies that you need to know. Number 1, fix and flip. This is where you buy a property at a discounted price. You go in and rehab the property, and then you sell it for a lot more. Number 2, buy and hold. Kind of traditional real estate investing. You buy a property at a certain price, hopefully at the price where it cash flows, which means you're making more money than you're paying out, and you hold it for a long period of time. Number 3, wholesaling property. So you get property from sellers at a discounted price, and you have a contract, then you sell that piece of paper contract to a fix and flipper or anyone else that is interested in purchasing that property. You make a finder's fee in between the seller and the end user. Why is it important to have multiple exit strategies? Because depending on the market, depending on the conditions that are out there that you're dealing with, you may want to only flip properties if you're not able to do buy and holds and make a profit on them. So you have to have multiple strategies going forward and find out what the market is willing to bear at the time. So as you get into a very, very down market, that's when you want to do your buy and holds. As the market starts to go up, you'll get to a point where you don't cash flow anymore. Maybe you're going to jump into fix and flips or even wholesaling. Wholesaling is a great way to start. Then once you establish that wholesaling business, then you can start the fix and flip business because you've got that wholesale business. These real estate strategies can help you achieve your investment goals. Keep in mind that each strategy has its pros and cons, and it is essential to pick the best one that fits your investment goals. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. If you want more real estate investing videos, click on this playlist right here. Feel free to book some time with me one-on-one. As always, I'm always here to help.